Have you ever wondered how adult film actors maintain their stamina, energy, and performance without relying on pills or artificial boosters? The secret is finally out, and it's something no one expected: the salt trick. This simple but powerful method is helping men last longer, feel stronger, and stay in control without dangerous chemicals or expensive supplements. It's a completely natural way to support blood flow, increase endurance, and boost confidence where it matters most. One well-known actor in the industry admitted that this salt hack changed everything for him. He went from struggling with performance pressure to having unshakable stamina and rock-solid energy every single time. Now, he swears by this trick before every scene. The best part? It's backed by science. The right kind of salt, used the right way, helps improve circulation, regulate hormones, and enhance male vitality, naturally. That's why this secret is spreading fast among those who need to be at their best in high-pressure situations. Of course, this kind of information doesn't stay online for long. The big pharmaceutical companies don't want men discovering a natural solution that actually works. If you've been struggling with low energy, stamina issues, or just want to level up your performance, we know the salt trick can be tough to get right. That's why they created a much simpler solution: Nitrox Pro. It's the easiest and most effective way to boost circulation and performance without the hassle. Click the first link in the description of this video and secure yours while it's still available. You'll be shocked at how powerful and practical this is.